Hey guys, welcome to the shelf build. Just kind of get you ready for this video if you want to stick around. This took several nights to build, and so I just took pictures of each individual stage, and I will probably do a little narration and kind of talk you through it. I had a lot of fun. The weather was pretty agreeable. I was able to get out here. We had some cold nights, we had some warm nights. Weather's agreeable inside, right? So, hey, I'm gonna take you to the build, and then I'll bring you back with some final thoughts. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward build. Honestly, it didn't cost a whole lot. I think I have with 5 pounds of screws and some lumber, somewhere in about $55 range for that. Plywood was, honestly, it was left over. So the price was pretty agreeable. As you can see, perfect world, I would have matching OSB and plywood. I've got 1/2 inch here, 1/2 inch plywood here, 7/16 OSB up top. But not a perfect world, and I was pretty, I wouldn't say excited, but it's kind of nice to be able to have some plywood, put it to use, and it's going to be much better used here. What do I have to do still on this project? I think I'm probably going to get some, see if I got some drywall screws or some, 1.5 inch 5/8 screws. The plywood is not tacked down at all. And so I'd like to just lightly tack it down. I screwed everything together in case I want to take it apart. It'd still be a heck of a process to take all apart, but a lot easier to take apart if you need to. I had a lot of concern about putting standard 2x4 posts connected to the ground, but it has plenty of space to get open aired. I've only come in the ground in 3 different spots. And if I find that there's any kind of rot in those spots, I could put a small shim underneath there, or I could cut those out and scab in some treated. Give me your thoughts on that. Should I even be worried about it? Not a lot of moisture in here. It's not enclosed. It's kind of aired. But yeah, so that's the build, guys. I'm pretty pleased with it. Like I said before, I left the 2x4 posts tall. The top of these 2 posts are at the same height as the header, so I could build some kind of shelf up there. More than likely, after I build this little triangle piece here, I will probably run some kind of shelf across there and build that up. You know, I could build the shelves really high, but, you know, can I access them? I'm not quite sure, but if nothing else, I've got some bunk beds made, so so that's my shelf project. I'm hoping to get in the next few evenings, get some of this categorized and put on the shelves. I've got some tooling that would probably better be served out here. And then I need to see if my 3-point forks can lift up that tool cabinet and get that moved to the other side of the shop so I can finish off that wall. And then get some lumber for that ceiling. So thanks for joining me, guys. Thanks for hanging in there. Thanks for rooting me. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.